All you wonderful viewers across the world, welcome to my channel, Wagwan. The motion picture you're about to see contains videos of persons whom I just tell the story with, but the actual people whom I talk about, a link in the description. Click and you will see if you want to see that. But in the meantime, go and enjoy my story. Poetic News Jamaica. Amaziyah the Great, tell them precisely. Woman drops law school saying she not about to God's school. She wants to go do God's work. Her parents think it's not cool. They are saying that she's brainwashed. But why are they saying that? There is more to this story. Want to know if you listen and tell me precisely if you think this is an insane act.
Big up great amazement, butch band and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Give thanks for life. To God be the glory. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell as I continue with this story. Now, the decision by a budding lawyer to drop out of university and join a religious movement has left her parents in a state of bewilderment. Miss Deneel Grey, a 22-year-old female, recently earned her bachelor's degree in law and was only 2 years away from becoming a lawyer had she gone straight to law school. This is the part right here where a family might be saying something wrong with our brain. On September 29th, the family house, which she resides in one part in St. James, she broke the padlock on the grill to join a group. Oh my gosh, that was insane. There is a particular ministry which based in Portmore St. Catherine. From she teamed up with them, she's just not the same. I was led to it earlier this year and I was convicted by the Lord to stop school and become part of this ministry, Gray told members of the church congregation on Saturday, October 9th. However, her parents, Deneel and Deneel Grey, fear that their daughter might have been brainwashed. She became unruly and argumentative. She would look into space, isolate herself in the room, change her eating habits, her style of dressing, and began reading specific books, said her father. Deneel's parents said things never seemed so right, so them desperately tried to find out what happened in them daughter's life. They managed to confiscate her cell phone, discovering text messages that left them worried out of them brain zone. One of the message reads, "Now that you are accepted in a country land, we will be sending a drive to pick you up and take you there." This is getting scary. With all fun and joke aside, the laughing part of the night, but according to the Greys, prior to Deneel's finally leaving home, she began to going out even during curfew hours. Oh my gosh, she must be led by the Holy Ghost powers. Anyway, they took away her house key, saying that they feared for her safety. Well, a few days later, after the contemplation, we decided we will give her back the key because she isn't a prisoner, although it felt as if it was a total stranger living here, said Deneel. Mr. Lacy, one of the leaders of the ministry, during Saturday's worship session, said Deneel called him earlier this year and expressed her conviction of the decision not to continue to go to school. I expressed to her as well where I am. I am closing up medical school. I am not going to work in a hospital. I am going to do the work of the Lord, Lacy said. Lacy said that Deneel feared breaking the news to her parents. Mom and Dad, I want to thank you for taking care of me all these years, but I am leaving school to do the Lord's work, she reportedly told her parents. Deneel's departure has devastated her family. Her mother was recently hospitalized for a short period, and her younger sister is so badly traumatized that plans are in place for her to get therapy. They desperately want Deneel to come back into their lives. We love you unconditionally and would like to know where you are, Glynis said in a message she hopes to reach her daughter. Our door is always open for you. If you want me to pick you up, just call me. No one can love you like us. What wouldn't I give for you? And I just pray you will come to your senses quickly before this is too late, she added. A missing persons report was filed with the police Lacy said that Deneel has been taken to the police to prove that she is not missing. However, checks with the Corporate Communication Unit of Jamaica Constabulary Force a few days ago revealed that the 22-year-old is still missing. Oh my gosh, well, as a parent myself, this is not something I could condone. Reading this story is like my mind blown. It's like Twilight Zone. Keep praying, my friends, for now you can see it appears that she has no intentions of returning home. Now, in final, this is the message that Deneel quotes. I want to make it clear to the entire world that I am here under my own conviction. I was not under any duress. I am an adult, and this is where the Lord would have me to be by His grace. This is where I am going to be. Oh well, whoa. I wish all goes well with the family. That's the end of the story. Please, viewers and subscribers, tell me your honest opinion. What do you think? Drop some comments in the section below and just share this content and make the world see and hear. Tell them precisely. Great weather gateway while the sunshine we make. Hey, thanks for watching. Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise. I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.